Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reorder past purchases on Walmart. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. Also, we have, as you can see in the top right corner, your items, your account, and your, of course, the cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and record past purchases on Walmart. So first of all, go to walmart.com and sign into your account. Then select account from the menu in the top right corner, as you can see here. Click on purchase history after clicking there. After clicking on purchase history, find the order you want to reorder from. Then select view details for the order. When you have selected view details, click record all to all items from the order your cart. Then adjust quantities if needed using the plus or minus buttons. Proceed to checkout to complete your order. Also, you can use the Walmart app to record items by following similar steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.